everyone, welcome to Virtual Studio. I am your Snehal teacher. Welcomes you in today's Standard 10 English class. Children, today's session we will begin with reading of some words. Okay? So we will read some words. Flower, flower. Heel, heel. Here, here. We will read some more words. Break, break. While reading, you look at the spellings also. Okay? Cell, cell. Scent, scent. So now you must be thinking why Snail teacher has made us to read so simple words. See children, while reading you must have looked at the spelling of these words and you must have found out that there, though we are reading in the same way, though the sound is same, but the spelling is different. That's what we are going to learn in today's session, what such types of words are called. So they are called either homophones, homographs, or homonyms. So what are homophones, what are homographs, and what is meant by homonyms, that we are going to learn in today's session. Okay, so let's begin with these words. So what are homophones? We will begin with the homophones. Just now we have read some words. Okay, you connect those words with the definition of the homophones. See, words that sound the same but have different meaning and spellings. Just now we have seen break, break, cell, 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 sell, cell, or cent, 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 cent. Okay, so that sounds same but have different meaning, and at the same time we are writing in different way, or the spelling is different. See here, we will take one more example here. Flower, corn flour or wheat flour, okay, and flour. So here the sound is same, both the word we pronounce in the same way, but they have different spelling, at the same time they have different meanings. So such types of words are known as homophones. We will learn something more about homophones. Now we will learn more about this word homophones. Listen carefully. We will split that word, homophones. What is the meaning of word homo? The same. And phones means sound. So the words which have the same sound are known as homophones. The words which have the same sounds are known as homophones. Let's see with some pictorial examples. Write. Your answer is write. Or to write something. See, look at the spelling. Look at the meaning and listen the sound. Write, write, to write something, or the right or wrong. To see something, and SEAC, that is the C. So here you can see children, they have same sound, though they are spelled differently, though they have different meanings, but the sound is same. Such words are known as homophones. Something more about homophones. What are homophones? A homophone is a word that is pronounced the same as another word but differs in meaning. Once again we are stating this, that is pronounced the same as the another word but it differs in meaning, and it may also differ in spellings. Okay, so homophone is a word that sounds the same but there is a difference in meaning and the difference in spellings as well. So they are known as homophones. Now here I'll show you two sentences, that how homophones are used in sentences. Let's read the sentences. To bake a flower shaped cake, you will need some flour. Okay, see here, 2 flour are there. Or, I wanted to sit here so that I could hear the singer performing without any distractions. So here, you can see the spellings are different and the meaning is also different, but the sound is same. So when there is similarity in sound, but the spellings and meanings are different, then such types of words are known as homophones. Homo, I have split that word. Homo means same and phones means sound. Okay. Now, I'll show you some pictures. Just look at the pictures carefully and then we will read the word related with this picture. Now here, waving of hand, wave. We say hi to anybody. So that is the waving of hand. And here, the wave of sea. Okay? Wave. W-A-V-E. You look at the spelling also. We will see 2 more pictures. Someone is diving in the water. So we can say that he dove in the water. Dove. And here, dove. A white pigeon is called dove. Dove. But the spelling is D-O-V-E. We will see one more set later. And A is the first letter of the alphabet. Later. Spelling same. See, now here spelling is same. In homophones we have seen the sound was same but the spellings and meanings were different. Here spelling is same but the meanings are different. Okay. So what these words are? So just now we have read some words. What are they? So they are homographs. We have seen, we have collected the information about the homophones. Then what are homographs? Just read it here. Homographs are also called multiple meaning words and they are spelled the same but have different meanings. Third thing is that they can be pronounced differently or the same. We will see one by one. Homographs are also called multiple meaning words. Okay, they have multiple meaning and they are spelled the same. Just now we have seen D-O-V, dove and D-O-V, dove. Spelling is same but they have different meaning. Wave, W-A-V, wave and W-A-V, wave. Spelling is same but first wave is to waving someone, hi, hello. And the second wave was the wave of the sea. So they are spelled same but have different meanings and sometimes they are pronounced differently or the same. See, we are pronouncing dove, D-O-V, dove and D-O-V, dove. Okay. So they can be pronounced differently or the same. So they are known as homograph. We will split this word. Homo, we have seen same and graphs means written. So they are written same. They are spelled the same way but they are different in meanings. See here down, he is doving in the water, dove. He dove in the water. He is diving in the water, but he dove in the water. And second picture, dove, D-O-V. Those spelling is same, but they have different meaning and sometimes they are differently pronounced. So they are known as homographs. Okay. So till yet we have seen homophones and homographs. We have learned, as I said, that homographs and homophones. Now we will see the difference between them at a time so that concept will be very much clear to you. First of all, we will see what are homophones. Homophones are words that sound alike and have different meanings and the different spellings too. For example, I have taken one example here. Heel, heel. So they are sound alike. Heel, heel. But they have different meaning. Okay. And the spelling is also different. And what are homographs? Homographs are the words that are spelled the same. Here in homophones the spelling is different, but in homographs spelling is same but have different meanings. For example, close. First close means to shut and the second close is nearby. She stays close to me, so that is nearby. Or close the door means to shut the door. Okay, clear? Now see here some more examples. Bat. Look at the spelling and look at the picture. Bat. Now there are two pictures. Palm. Two pictures. Spelling is same, word is same, but the meaning is different. In first word bat, a bat of cricket bat which you play, and bat is a mammal, you can see there. In second picture, palm tree and the palm of our hand. And in third picture, iron, ironing iron and the metal iron. So here you can see the spelling is same, the word is same, we pronounce it same but have different meanings. So they are known as homonyms. So that is a combination of homophones and homographs. They are known as homonyms. So dear children, just now we have read some words and they are called homonyms. Let's read the definition. What are homonyms means? Each of two or more words having the same spelling or pronunciation but different meanings and origins. So just now we have seen bat, bat, iron, iron, palm, palm. So they are two words but with same spelling and same pronunciation and their meaning is different. Such words are known as homonyms. Now we will see what are the differences between them in a chart. Look at this chart carefully. If possible, note it down in your notebook so that again and again you can refer the chart and make the concepts clear. We will take all these three things together here in one slide. Homophone, homograph and homonym. So sound, spelling and meaning. Three things we are considering here. The sound, the spellings and the meaning. So homophone, in homophone sound is same. If we are saying two words, sound is same. We have seen in first example. Spellings are different. Flower, flower. Sound was same. Spelling was different. Flour and flower. And the meaning is also different. In homograph, sound is different. Dove and dove. Spelling is same and meaning is different. Wave. Okay. And in homonyms, sound is same. Spelling is also same. Bat, bat, iron, iron. But meanings are different. So through this chart, you can very well understand or you can make your concept clear about homophone, homograph and homonyms. Okay. So with the help of this chart, you can solve the activity from your course book. That's all for today. Thank you so much. See you in next session.